Hi, I'm Ibnu Hanafi. Indonesia is a country that has many tribes. So, because of the many ethnic groups, Indonesia has a lot cultures. Culture is in the form of art, building, food, and so on. This time, we will get to know the Rumah Gadang, the traditional house of the Minangkabau. The shape of the Rumah Gadang itself resembles the shape of a ship, which is small at the bottom and large at the top. The shape of the roof curves upward like a semicircle and comes from the leaf of rumbio or nipah. Usually, the Rumah Gadang is used as a place of deliberation. One part of the house that has sexually fascinated many people is the roof of this traditional house, made of palm fiber and has a shape resembling a buffalo horn so that it symbolizes the victory of the Minang tribe in the buffalo race with the Javanese who had invaded Sumatra. The shape of the roof that curves and points upward is also often referred to as the word gonjong, so don't be surprised if it is called the Bagonjong house. The shape of Point Gonjong is like to the hope-reaching god. The curved roof design also serves withstand rainfall and does not overlook the building below. Unlike the usual house, the poles of the Rumah Gadang are not buried in the ground but are resting on a flat, strong and white stone. It is intended that if earthquake occurs, the Rumah Gadang will move on the flat rock on which the pillars stand. Usually, the poles used come from the juha tree. Before being used for house poles, the juha tree was immersed in the pool for many years to produce strong and sturdy poles. So, isn't it surprising? The poles of this traditional house are very old. This uniqueness that can be seen from this Minangkabau traditional house is partly due to carving on the walls of the building. Usually, the carving in this traditional house that have flora and fauna motif. Not only as a decorative element, the carving on the Minangkabau traditional house building also have a meaning, namely the harmony of the Minangkabau peoples with the nature around them. What is unique about the Rumah Gadang? Its house doesn't use nails at all in the construction process instead of using wood to connect it. So, the Rumah Gadang is an example of rich Indonesian culture. Therefore, let us protect and preserve it.